Hi art friends, today is day number 2 of our kindergarten three-dimensional lion video. So what we did last time is we went through and we drew everything on the lion. The one thing that we forgot to do is the lion's whiskers. Those are those hairy things that come off the lion's face. So go ahead and get your pencil, go over your pencil with black marker when you're done with this, but make some lines for your whiskers, okay? All right, today what we're going to do is we are going to color in our face and then we're going to get set up to make the mane. So far our artwork looks two-dimensional, which means flat. Later on, I promise we're going to make it look three-dimensional. Now you have some choices for the colors that you want to use for your lion. You could do your lion yellow, you could do it a light orange, you could do it a brown, you could do it a tan. All right, what I do want you to do is whatever you decide, I want your mane to be darker than your face. All right, so you decide how you want that to do. And I'm just putting paper underneath this paper because the table I'm working on is a little bumpy. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with an orange. And I think my nose is going to be a little bit darker. Now, the great thing about being an artist is you can change yours up and have fun with this. All right, you don't have to do the same colors as me. All right, what I do ask you guys to do is hide the paper when you color and color in the space all the way. So notice how I'm taking my time and making this look nice and neat. So I'm adding brown eyelids, but then the rest of my face is going to be orange. Feel free to do yours different than mine though, friends. All right, that's what makes it a little more interesting when you send me your artwork when I see different ideas than mine. All right, so you're going to color in the rest of the face. You're going to color in the ears. All right, and then the last thing I want you to do, let's pretend I'm done coloring all this in. You'll see the finished product on my example, but what I want you to do when you get done coloring the ears and the face in is I want you to grab your second piece of paper, all right, and I want you to color the entire paper a color that's darker than your face. So my face is orange. I could do my paper a dark orange. I could do it a brown. This paper that we're doing today is going to be the mane, okay, and it's just going to be all one solid color on the front and on the back. Now, if you have construction paper, this could save you a step. You could just do, I could do a brown piece of construction paper, but I'm going to assume that you don't have those supplies at home, which is completely fine. You could get fun too, and maybe one side of my paper is brown and the other side is a different color. We're going to end up taking this paper later on, cutting it, and making it look 3D. So let's pretend I'm done coloring the whole page brown. Notice I'm hiding the paper when I color. I can do the other side. I think to make mine a little more interesting, I'm going to do mine a different color on the other side, but I could have done brown and brown. Let me find darker orange. Okay, and my whole paper will be orange. All right, this is all you're going to do for video number 1. Video number 3 will be finished day. Keep up the good work. Bye, friends.